Oh, and you wanna know why Santa Claus has no children? Because he only comes once a year. Yeah, he only comes once a year. Yeah. And Paris Hilton wasn't wrong. Paris Hilton wasn't wrong at all. Santa Claus is the biggest pimp in the universe. I mean, think about it. He's wearing a big red suit, black belt, probably knows martial arts, then big old black boots and that stocking cap. And he's saying ho 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 all the time. Oh yeah, the reason he says ho 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 is because he says 3 hoes are better than 2. Yeah. Look at them crazy people. Driving. Big of devil. Crazy people. Driving that fast in this kind of weather. There's already been like 2 or 3 major accidents on this road already. The last accident was because of fucking rain like this. Well, it wasn't this bad, but the roads were slick. Slicker than snot on doorknob.